Hey friends, welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Faith. Today I'm going to teach you the most requested questions that I have received regarding Valentine's Day and love. The first question is, how do you say I missed you in Haitian Creole?
Moi songe ou. Moi songe ou.
How do you say I am in love with you in Haitian Creole? Moi d'amour pour.
How do you say I am crazy for you in Haitian Creole? Moi fou pour. Moi fou pour.
How do you say I trust in our love? Moi kwe nan la moun. Moi kwe nan la moun. How do you say love in Haitian Creole? The way you say love in Haitian Creole is reme. Reme. Side note, reme can also means like. If you like somebody, you can say to that person, moi aime, which means I like you. If you love someone, you can say to them also, moi aime, which means I love you. How do you say my love in Haitian Creole? Amour, ou du moins mon amour. How do you say I am a jealous person? Moi c'est un moun qui jaloux. How do you say Happy Valentine's Day in Haitian Creole? Joye fête Sen Valanten. Joye fête Sen Valanten. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Joye fête Sen Valanten tout le monde. Goodbye.